Hello, everyone. Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a which one would you choose. I have done a video like this in the past, and I pretty much gave y'all some options on which one you all would like for me to make and create. So I have 3 pair of earrings that I have made using the Dollar Tree beads and some aluminum wire. And I'm going to bring these earrings out to show you all what they look like. You all decide. When I bring them out, I'm going to call it by its number. So it's going to be number 1, number 2, and number 3. You all let me know which one of these earrings that you would like for me to create. So here is earring number 1. I'm not going to hold it up. I'm just going to bring it so y'all can see exactly what it looked like. So we're going to be voting. So you have to vote on whether or not if you want me to make number 1. And these are earrings. Okay. So here is earring number 2. You have to let me know whether or not if you want me to make earring number 2. So we're going to be voting 1, 2, or 3. This is earring number 2. All right. And the last and final earring is number 3. So you all write down in the comments and let me know which one of these earrings you would like for me to make, to show you all how to make. So will it be earring number 1, earring number 2, or earring number 3? I'm going to let you all decide. So whichever one you all choose to pick, this is going to be a 24-hour thing from the time that I upload this video until the next day. That's when I'll let you all know which one got the most likes. Okay, 1, 2, or 3. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.